Oh, you're naked. Bon, salam alaikum. Uh, Today I'm gonna speak in English. And today I want to talk about a concept that us, we, and the SpaceX or the NASA or any spatial agency, we could collaborate to move from exploring stage of the space to create a universe and life like our Earth universe was created. Because if Venus, and I'm gonna explain, and I'm gonna try to be short and deep about this concept, short and mean. I mean, what we said, we started there. So, like we said, we move from stage of exploring to creating universe and life. And if Venus and I'm gonna explain that was that I mean creating life in Venus, because if Venus and Earth are twins, which they are in ignition from the start, because Earth and Venus had the same characteristic and constitution, but with a genius chemical intervention of who knows who is on Earth, the life was created. So my concept is to propose to work on collaboration with any spatial agency or SpaceX, because Mr. Elon Musk is from Africa and we're African, we're proud. And Africa is for the Africans. So my concept is to propose to work with a collaboration with SpaceX or any agency to do the same to Venus, the twin sister of Earth, with the same chemical intervention by sending spacecraft to the twin sister of Earth, Venus, to make life on it and create a universe by turning the sulfuric acid droplet to iron sulfur salt and water, just by giving her some dust of soil of her twin sister. She need to smell it, of Earth, to smell it, to smell that. So, like we said, her twin sister Earth, to smell that is, but it needs to be full of iron oxide, and by turning dust of soil of iron oxide, which is red soil, basically, on Venus, to droplet. In Venus, in Venus, the droplet of sulfuric acid will turn to a blue crystal, or green, or brown. And with the look, and if we look on our seas and things are made the same way. So our seas in reality are iron, salt, sulfur. That is why they look blue and green, because iron, salt, sulfur can be blue or green or even brown crystals. And when we see in our entourage, the earth and seas are blue and green, and plants are green, and the soils are brown, and so on. Anyway, I don't want to dig deep into it, but let's focus in the concept and don't dig in the deep technical aspect of it. But like I said, the chemical reaction in Venus of iron oxide from red soil will turn the sulfuric droplet of Venus to a different composition of crystal of iron sulfate salt, blue, green, or brown, and water as well. And slowly we will see Earth well-being improvement because usually the twins cannot live without the twins. And as well, we will create a new universe, a new life in the future in Venus, and move from the exploration stage to a creation of life in other universe stage. And I hope my concept uh, were understood, and I hope my video were very short. And thank you for listening, and I hope you have a lovely day. And how do you say? Ciao. Ciao. Salam alaikum.